SmileFy digital workflow were created to help you better communicate with your patients, your dental technicians, and other specialists. When performing a smile simulation or a 3D designs for your treatment plan, it is essential that you not only think about the final result, but also understand the path that will be taken in this treatment, which is often multidisciplinary. In a smile simulation, for example, as the name says, you will simulate your patient's future smile, which is the easiest way to communicate and educate your patient. The process is straightforward. You will take a smiling picture of your patient and start the smile simulation. Since the simulation is powered by the artificial intelligence of SmileFy, it doesn't take more than 1 minute to be ready, and the best thing is that you can do it chairside together with your patient and simulate different treatment options. Then, you have the SmileFy 3D design, where you can use it for different types of treatments. One of them is the 3D Motivational design, where the 3D mockup is designed over the patient's existing teeth that you can simulate the final result in the patient's mouth. In this case, there is no teeth preparation, and as well as the 2D smile simulation, the 3D smile design is used to educate your patient better and speed up the process of case acceptance of the treatment plan. The 3D design with SmileFy itself is quick and easy, as it's intuitive, and you can design using your patient's digital files and pictures to preview the mockup before printing. But first, however, the dentist needs to understand why the mockup is made and when to apply the mockup in the treatment plan. So when performing a 3D design walk-up, make sure that your multidisciplinary treatment plan is noted in advance. This will make your digital treatment plan path much simpler and your final restorations more predictable. Sometimes all your patient need is a quick smile enhancement, but other patients could need further steps to guarantee proper function and occlusion before delivering the aesthetics. So whether designing a single unit or an entire arch, start with a facially guided dental mock-up. Start with SmileFy.